that's what I need. But I kind of wanted to walk you through what my house looks like the areas that are um, terrible and the areas that are not so bad, and how I get through my Sunday morning quick clean. So take a look. So down the stairs, we have some outerwear stuff for my kids are here on the stairs. We came home pretty late last night, and they were all sleeping. We had to carry them in, but yeah. So their stuff were just thrown down here. You can see some few shoes over there, not too bad. You'll see here. I mean, a little bit of cleaning will need to be done, but it's overall not too bad. But the area that is insane is, check this out. My kids had breakfast this morning with daddy and played, and this is where their stuff end up all over the floor, of course, but I got to sleep in, so I guess that's good. We also have some dishes. It's worse. It looks worse than it actually is. Like this stuff right now, there's my coffee right there. But this stuff right here is all, some of it are stuff that came out of a shelf that broke in one of my cabinets. And then there's a few dishes, and I'll have to empty the dishwasher as well and clean the floor. I also wanted to show you, so in here, you'll see there's this shelf right here. Actually, my husband put it back, which I wasn't expecting for this video. So he fixed the shelf yesterday. This shelf right here had fallen out, and so a bunch of the stuff had come out. So I can see that he already put some back. I just need to do a little bit of organization and then put some of the rest of the stuff that are here back in the cabinet. Cause I can't stop thinking about him. And would he understand if I told him how I feel about him? So for today, there's not a lot of cleaning per se to do, but also have to do laundry today. My son is out for like swimming class, so when he comes back, I'll just wait for his stuff. I'll grab his stuff and do all of that laundry. I also have like a bunch of bed sheets and stuff that are all like, they've all been thrown in the bathroom, in the bathtub, that I have to kind of wash and do that. So today's a laundry day, and it's also a day I'm doing my daughter's hair, and so I'm not spending a lot of time cleaning today. So I'll probably just spend the next maybe hour and a half or so to do the cleaning. But yeah, so that's the plan for today. So I hope you can join me in cleaning along, put on some music, and yeah, let's clean together, guys.
One step forward and another back. I would never try to fool ya. I'm one heartbeat away from going mad. Girl, when you're looking like that, closer, closer, I'ma get closer to you. Yeah, got me, baby, got me hooked on you once again. Girl, I need you.
I want to just take a little moment, you guys, just to mention, for those of you who prefer my decluttering videos, I just want to let you know that we do have a couple of decluttering videos coming up in the next couple of weeks. So I hope that you will tune in next week for one of them, where I have a couple of areas in the house that I just need to get decluttered, because as much as I try, I can't help it. We are just hoarders, or a little bit on the hoarder-ish side, and so we hold on to some stuff. So I am going to be working on getting rid of some this winter. So please tune in as I get those videos out to you.
Again, damn, girl, I need you. How many times do I wanna yell? 'Cause we could be so complete. Baby, I'll never want anyone new. I was on your bed and you undressed. Baby, when I pulled you in and felt your breath, I knew the girl, I need you. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I can never resist it. Ooh, smiling like that, I can never resist it. Girl, I need you. How many times do I wanna yell? 'Cause we could be so complete. Baby, I'll never want anyone new. I was on the bed when you undressed. Baby, when I pulled you in and felt your breath, then I knew the girl I need you. Smiling like that, I can never resist it. I need you, baby. I need you, baby. Oh. I was on the bed when you undressed. Baby, when I pulled you in and felt your breath, then I knew the girl I need you. Smiling like that, I could never resist it.
I know we've been through a lot, holding hands while screaming at each other. And I don't know how to start, but I still love you like I do. It breaks my heart, no text, no calls from you. Thought you could shake this off, but you're not that tough with me. So run away with me, come home with me tonight. Run away with me, it'd be worth the time. Run away with me, I'll make you feel alright. Run away with me, and I'll be good this time around. I'll be good this time. I'll be good this time. I'll be good this time. Don't say we're drifting apart, I can't stand to see you with another. Oh, I know I once broke your heart, but I still love you like I do. Love you like I do. Oh, it breaks your heart. No text, no calls from me. I thought I could shake this off, but I'm not that tough with you. So run away with me, come home with me tonight. Run away with me, it'd be worth the time. Run away with me, I'll make you feel alright. Run away with me, and I'll be good this time around. I'll be good this time. I'll be good this time. I'll be good this time. Run away with me, come home with me tonight. Run away with me, it'd be worth the time. Run away with me, I made you feel alright. Run away with me, and I'll make good this time around. Hey, won't you pour me another? I'm going in, so wish me good luck. Yeah, gotta put on my favorite song. I need a boost. Let's turn up the love. No, it is way too late, but I just can't get my eyes off you. Maybe we will regret this, but tomorrow is another day. And I will do anything to get your
So we're just about to wrap up here, you guys. This is another short cleaning video for this Sunday. As I mentioned at the beginning, there's not a lot to do here today, as I have a few other things that I really need to get done today, and I also want to hang out with the kids a little bit and get ready for the week. And so this is a short cleaning video, and I hope that it's been motivating to you, even if just a little bit, to get started on a corner of your home, just like I'm focusing today just on one little area of my home. I thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.
Keep it off, but I can't.